So today we have 5 UGC videos to film and 2 YouTube videos. So let me take you along through what that looks like. At this point, the brand has already paid. We've already gone back and forth through the contracts. The script has actually just been approved last night, which is why we are officially ready to film. So these videos I'm actually going to be doing right in my kitchen. And the interesting part about these videos is that it is a CBD brand, which opens up like a whole bunch of rules that you have to make sure that you're following, because CBD products have such tough guidelines for running ads. You really have to do it like a certain way. So for these, what I'm going to do is I'm using my phone and I'm recording. I'm actually doing it super simple with the lighting that I have right now. I'm just gonna do me talking straight to the camera. I'm gonna record my voice through here. And then on top, I'm actually going to put B-roll, not actually using the product, but just regular scenes that I already have. Like for example, going out for a walk, like drinking water. I'll probably need to film. Going out for a walk, probably that too. We have a scene of like fruit. I have one that I'm gonna use and things like that. So this is what it looks like. I'm definitely need to clean this. It's like something that's super important, actually cleaning your camera, because you don't realize how dirty it gets. Yeah, way different, way different. So let's get it going. Remember that I do have the script ready here and approved by the brand. So that's why we can just get to filming. I'm literally going to be reading the script word for word. All right, so in this third one, I actually noticed that for the scenes, the first sentence I am gonna do talking to camera, so I'm just gonna hold the phone and walk a little. Sometimes our bodies are looking for that extra boost, something to help drop the brain fog, fatigue, and help boost your mood and motivation. Perfect. Now we have number 4. Let me move you guys over here. Hello. Okay, this one's gonna be cool because we are using some props. We do have a watermelon as a prop for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop up a little cute piece of watermelon for one of the first scenes that we have. Kind of cute. It's a good watermelon. I think we'll use this side because this side looks a little funky. This side looks good. And of course, gotta try it. Make sure it's good to be on camera, but it's literally dripping everywhere. Hold on, and we have to put the rest away. So I'm basically just dropping this on the watermelon. Something that's really cool now that I have done over like 200 UGC videos is that I can be very selective with who I want to work with. So as of right now, I normally do not even work with any new brands because I just like working with brands that I've already worked with, and that way we do bigger bundles of videos. So right now the 5 videos that I'm doing, they're all for one brand, and this is a brand that we've already worked with, and I'm probably going to continue working with them. So that means that I do have some of the other products that they've already sent me. They did send me more for these new videos, but in this case, the 4th video is going to be with one of the products that I already have. So what I'm gonna do is drop this, but I'm gonna need to set up my phone to get this shot. This one I'm probably going to do like zoomed in just because we do want like that. All right, I think this actually looks really cool with the sun. Yes, this was my office. The office that you guys saw in the previous videos and the whole UGC series. It's now empty because we are moving. So this is one of our last days. Woo, let's go down. Some of our last days here before we go on to our next location. So I did prop it right here on the floor where the sunlight's hitting, and I think that's gonna be a really cool angle. I do have to be completely honest. I like my style in general, like if you guys follow me on Instagram or whatever, my style in general is just talking to camera. Like I feel like that's something that I'm good at rather than like the aesthetic, like pleasing like angles and things like that. So this is literally like one of the first UGC videos that I am incorporating that. Normally it's like straight to the camera with scenes on top or showing how the product works, things like that. Okay, and then that's cool. I just did the video. I can put the voice on top. I recorded it normally, as you guys can see, and then I did different like sides, and then if I want I can crop it or do it in slow-mo, which I think will look pretty cool. All right, now we can get back to the videos. Okie dokie, so we have the zoomed in dripping oil on watermelon. Our next scene is going to be talk to camera, then we're gonna do drop oil in water, and then yoga on mat, which obviously that can be later. So let's see, what's one thing that helps. The talk to camera is just gonna be one line.
For me, it's CBD oil drops. There's delicious flavors to pick from.
I'm thinking that I'm actually gonna record the full thing talking so that it just stays like on the same tempo when I do. Sometimes when you're recording on your phone, like to the screen, and then you do the voiceover, you can kind of hear the difference. So just so that it's not like that, I'm just gonna record fully like this, and then I'll put the footage on top. This is something you can do, or you can either do it the other way. You can do footage, and then on the app like InShot, which is what I recommend you guys use, then you can do voice recording straight from there.
What's one thing that helps improve sleep, reduce inflammation and pain, increase focus, and makes you feel better? For me, it's CBD oil drops, and there's delicious flavors to pick from. My go-to is watermelon mint, and I can take it on the go anywhere, anytime.
So 4 out of 5 recorded, not done, recorded. Next we have our last one. Oh, I love this one. This one's gonna be cool. And this is a brand that I genuinely love. I used them before working with them. That's why I reached out. So it's literally like those brands that you love, that like the moment you reach out and it becomes a partnership, you're like super eager and like the team is amazing. So that's what I love, and that's what I look for when working long-term with a brand. I actually want to have both hands with this so I can show them like this, but I have my handy dandy tripod using this camera, so we're gonna need a little buddy. Whenever needed, you need a little buddy. And we're actually gonna move this to the sun. I might pour a little more of these gummies. Look cute, Bubby, you're on the vlog. Okay, so he's literally just gonna be here holding the phone so that we get that natural sunlight. So a lot of this that we're doing, the specific reason why we're doing it is like I mentioned, a lot of compliance, a lot of guidelines along these products. Even though this brand doesn't specifically have like THC, it is considered a CBD brand. So just have to be very, very clear. That's why I always recommend you guys to go through those scripts, like write down what you're saying, what the scene looks like, so that you don't have to do it over and over again. Here we go. So for this one, I think I'm gonna actually do it over there, and I'm gonna just say, and they taste delicious. From there, the rest is going to be voiceover with scenes on top. So just so it matches, I'm going to record straight from my camera. Here we go. And here's what I noticed.
Better mood, a clear mind to focus, feeling more relaxed and energized. There's nothing like them.
Voila. There we go. We have completed the filming part, except for we do need some more B-roll to put on top of those. And of course, the post-production. This is what I mean. Track your time. I've done the tracking lots and lots of times, so I know exactly how long it's going to take me. But track your time so you know exactly how much to charge. And that's pretty much it of the 5 UGC videos. I still have 2 YouTube videos to film. Those I'll be doing throughout the day. As you guys can see here, the moving is in full effect. Boxes and boxes and boxes. For those of you that haven't checked out the full UGC series, I literally go from 0 to signing clients, how much to charge, contracts, how does all of that work. I do also have that free UGC toolkit down below in the description where you guys can download it, get that straight to your inbox, and that gives you everything that you need to know in detail for running a UGC business. And where to next? I guess you'll have to stay tuned on the channel to find out where we're headed to next, where I'll be filming videos from, and all that good stuff. But take a little guess down in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you on this same exact channel next time. Bye bye.